problem is represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 meter, more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Now, first let the breadth of the rectangle is x meters. So let the breadth of the rectangle is x meters. Now here the length of the plot is 1 meter, more than twice its breadth. That means the length of the, so therefore the length of the rectangle is equal to 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Its breadth is x, that means twice means 2x, and 1 meter more, that means 2x plus 1 meters. So their area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So that means 2x plus 1 into x meters. 2x plus 1 into x meters. But they gave the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. So from the question, area of rectangle equal to 528 meters square. That means 2x plus 1 into x equal to 528. So I will multiply x with this. So 2x square plus x equal to 528. So 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. So this is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So therefore the length and breadth of the rectangle satisfies the quadratic equation. Next problem is represent the product of two consecutive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Now I will take let x and x plus 1 be the two integers. Consecutive means next to this. So x and x plus 1 are the two consecutive integers. Now the product of two consecutive integers, that means x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So you will multiply this, x square plus x is equal to 306. That means x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. And next one, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. We need to find Rohan's present age. First of all, let Rohan's present age be x. Then present age of Rohan's mother. Present age of Rohan's mother. He is 26 years older than him. That's why x plus 26. This is Rohan's mother's age. x plus 26 years. Now 3 years from now, so 3 years from now will be 360 years. That means the age of Rohan is now x plus 3. So age of Rohan is x plus 3, and Rohan's mother is this is Rohan's age, and Rohan's mother age. Rohan's mother age is equal to x plus 26 plus 3 years. Therefore, the product of these two ages is equal to 360. That means x plus 3 into x plus 26 plus 3, that means 29 is equal to 360 years. The product of these two ages is equal to 360. From these two we will get that implies multiply these two equations, these two terms, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 3s are 87 is equal to 360. That means that implies x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 32x. I will take this 360 degrees to this side. Minus 360 plus 87 minus 273 equal to 0. So this is of the form of, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a not equal to 0. So this is of the form of quadratic equation. So therefore Rohan's present age satisfies the quadratic equation. Next problem. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Now let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. So therefore the time taken to the train to cover a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. So that means the time taken by the train to cover 480 kilometers at uniform speed. That means that equal to 480 by x. Why? Because time is equal to distance by speed. So since time is equal to distance by speed, that's why 480 by x. 480 by x hours. And next, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, so that means x. So if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That means the speed has been 8 km less. That means x minus 8. X minus 8. When the speed is x minus 8, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That means I will write this as 480 by x minus 8 hours. So 480 by x minus 8 hours. Now now they gave if this distance 480 by x minus 8 distance. So if this less time they have taken 3 hours more. That means for this this is original time and for this 3 hours more. That means we will equating these two equations, these two terms. Then we will get here 480 by x minus 8. I will transpose this to this side. 480 by x is equal to 3. Here 480 I will common. Then we will get 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. So 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3 by 480. Now I will take here LCM. X into x minus 8. So x minus of x minus 8 is equal to 3 by 480. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 80. So 160. So x minus x plus 8 by x into x minus 8 is equal to 1 by 160. This x and this x gets cancelled. So now we will cross multiply. Then we will get x into x minus 8 is equal to 160 into 8. So x square minus 8x is equal to 160 into 8, 1280. So x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore the uniform speed of the train satisfies the quadratic equation.